Let's try use this microwave. First, we have to plug in. Okay, now it's on. Why it's green? But the camera is green. I don't know why. Nah, boleh udangnya tak hangat no. Gue cuma mau bikin video tok. Okay. Okay, I'll grab the I don't know what the name what is udang? Oh, shrimps. That's the name. Okay. Just gonna put in just education. Go to set to what 30 seconds. The hell is that explosive sound? We're done. Time to open sesame. These are too hard. I think okay, it's done. Okay, let's try it to taste. So let's give it a try. Oh man, it's good. Honest. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.